Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Onix Graphite Z5. Onix has established itself as one of the top brands in the pickleball world, and the Graphite Z5 is arguably its most popular paddle. Designed with both beginners and intermediate players in mind, the Z5 combines a graphite face with a white hitting surface, creating a generous sweet spot that helps players consistently connect with the ball. This makes it especially suitable for those who are still learning to react quickly during fast-paced rallies. Weighing in at 8.2 ounces, the Z5 is an ideal option for players who are unsure of their preferred paddle weight. Its handle, designed with a textured grip similar to a tennis racket, ensures comfort during long sessions while providing control over each swing. The padded feel reduces strain on your hand, allowing you to power through matches without discomfort. In hands-on testing, the Z5 impressed us with its excellent balance and responsiveness. The Onix honeycomb core contributes to powerful returns, allowing for precise yet forceful shots. Durability is another highlight. A protective lining around the paddle's edge helps prevent chipping or cracking if it's accidentally dropped, extending the life of the paddle. For a paddle priced just under $100, the Graphite Z5 delivers exceptional value. It offers many of the features found in higher-end graphite paddles, making it suitable for players advancing from beginner stages to competitive play. Its combination of performance, comfort, and durability ensures it will remain a reliable companion on the court for years to come. Specifications: weight, 8.2 ounces, dimensions, 8.3 by 15.5 inches, grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 2. Head Radical Elite. Fiberglass paddles are known for providing excellent control, though they generally don't deliver the same power as graphite paddles. The trade-off, however, is that fiberglass options are usually more budget-friendly, making them a great choice for beginners or players who prioritize accuracy over raw force. Our top pick in this category is the Head Radical Elite. This paddle stands out for its lightweight design, strong construction, and well-balanced performance, making it a versatile option for both casual and competitive play. The Radical Elite excels in long volleys where precision is key. Its composite hitting surface softens the impact, giving players a controlled, comfortable feel on every return. This helps beginners focus on accuracy while still enjoying reliable performance during rallies. Although the Radical Elite is available in only orange or yellow, its value is undeniable. During hands-on testing, we found it offered remarkable quality for the price of just $70. One notable feature is the longer-than-average grip, which accommodates two-handed backhands, a nice bonus for players looking to expand their technique. Like the Onix Z5, the Radical Elite is suitable for competitive play, though more advanced players may eventually prefer a paddle with greater power as they progress. For newcomers or those who want to prioritize control and precision, the Radical Elite is hard to beat. Its combination of comfort, accuracy, and affordability makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to improve their game without breaking the bank. Specifications: weight, 8.1 ounces, dimensions, 9 by 16 inches, grip circumference, 4.16 inches. Number 3. Selkirk Sport SX4 Starter Pack. If you're looking for an easy, ready-to-go set to play with a friend, family member, or significant other, Selkirk's SX4 Starter Pack is an excellent choice. This combo includes 2 high-quality paddles, 4 balls, and a convenient carrying bag, giving you everything you need to start playing right away without any extra purchases. The paddles in this set are far from basic. They feature a polymer honeycomb core that helps reduce the impact of each shot, making rallies feel smoother and more controlled. The innovative G4 Control graphic surface with SpinFlex adds a textured design to the paddle face, which is particularly helpful for beginners. This surface improves ball control and placement, allowing you to execute more precise shots even as you're learning the game. Comfort is another area where the SX4 excels. The grips are cushioned and designed to absorb sweat, so your hands stay secure and there's no risk of the paddles slipping during play. At a lightweight 7.5 ounces, these paddles are easy for nearly all players to handle, making long matches less tiring while still allowing for quick and responsive swings. Overall, the SX4 starter pack combines quality construction, thoughtful design, and convenience. Whether you're just starting out or want a hassle-free set to take to the court, it offers excellent value while helping you improve your game. The combination of lightweight paddles, comfortable grips, and textured hitting surfaces ensures enjoyable, controlled, and precise gameplay from your very first match. Specifications: weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 4. JOOLA Essentials Paddle. Austin, Texas-based Recess has earned a reputation for creating stylish and high-quality pickleball gear, and their Vista Pickleball paddle is one of the brand's standout models. Popular among both beginners and experienced players, the Vista comes in nearly 40 different colorways, ranging from classic designs to limited edition patterns, ensuring that you can find a look that perfectly matches your personality or stands out on the court. Beyond its eye-catching design, the Vista paddle is built with performance in mind. Its sanded texture surface enhances spin control, allowing players to place shots with accuracy and confidence. The honeycomb core delivers a reliable level of power, striking a balance between strength and control that is ideal for learning players who are still developing their technique. Each paddle also includes a protective edgeguard to prevent damage during play, as well as a logo-branded canvas cover for convenient storage and transport. Weighing just 7.5 ounces, the Vista is easy to handle for nearly all players, making long matches more comfortable while allowing quick, responsive swings. Its thoughtfully designed grip, measuring 4.25 inches in circumference, ensures comfort and secure handling, even during intense rallies. Overall, the Recess Vista Pickleball paddle combines standout style with practical performance features. It not only adds flair to your on-court presence but also provides the essential materials and design elements that make learning pickleball more enjoyable and less frustrating. For players who want both aesthetics and reliable functionality, the Vista paddle is an excellent choice. Specifications: weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 5. Rokne Curve Classic. JOOLA is a well-respected name in the world of pickleball, and their Essentials paddle offers an excellent entry point for new players who aspire to reach advanced levels. While it isn't the most high-end paddle in JOOLA's lineup, the Essentials provides features that help beginners develop their skills effectively. Its large sweet spot makes it easier to consistently hit the ball, while the soft touch ensures better control as players work on perfecting their shots and improving their accuracy. The paddle's perforated grip is another thoughtful feature, designed to provide breathability and keep the paddle securely in your hand during long matches. This means fewer slips and a more comfortable experience, even during extended play. Its manageable weight of 8.2 ounces makes it easy to handle for a wide range of players, allowing quick swings and agile movements without causing fatigue. One of the standout aspects of the Essentials paddle is that it was developed in collaboration with Ben Johns, a top pro in the Professional Pickleball Association, PPA. The design reflects his input, focusing on control, consistency, and comfort qualities that are especially helpful for players just starting out. As players improve, the Essentials serves as a natural stepping stone toward higher-end models, such as the official JOOLA Ben Johns CFS tournament paddle. Overall, the JOOLA Essentials paddle is an ideal combination of beginner-friendly design, comfort, and performance. Its thoughtful construction and connection to a pro athlete make it a great first paddle that can carry players from learning the basics all the way to competitive play. Specifications: weight, 8.2 ounces. Dimensions, 7.9 by 15.5 inches. Grip circumference, 4 inches.